RE200 versus TP-Link RE205. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content, and also watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about Wi-Fi standards. RE200 provided 802.11ac, 802.11n, 802.11g and 802.11b, 802.11a Wi-Fi standards. And it is also provided by 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi bands. 200 provided dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, and it is also provided by 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi speeds. Up to 750 Mbps, 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz plus 433 Mbps on 5 GHz, and it is also available on 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the coverage area. The coverage area of 200 is up to 1200 square feet, and it is also the coverage area of 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the Ethernet port. One fast Ethernet port 10/100 Mbps is provided by 200, and it is also provided by 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the antenna type. The antenna type of 200 is internal antennas, and the antenna type of 205 is external antennas. So 205 is better. Now let's look at the ease of setup. In 200, easy setup via WPS or Theater app is available, and it is also available on 205, so both are equal. Now let's look at the compatibility. 200 work with any Wi-Fi router, and 205 also work with any Wi-Fi router, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of 200 is low, it is budget friendly, and the price of 205 is slightly more expensive, so 200 is better for budget friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.